coconut, take the coconut, put water, and then make a coconut milk. So the first milk is very creamy, it's like coconut cream. Second one is more milk. So what she says is she's mixing both. She doesn't want just the cream, it needs to be more of a lighter kind of milk. Because the second one would be too light. If you're boiling it, like if you are boiling any vegetables, you would be using second extract of the milk, which is lighter. If you use cream and try to boil something, the cream will split, and then you'll have a not so good looking curry. So we always boil and make the curry with the second extract. So just a lighter milk. And because we've already boiled this, he's mixing both the creamy the coconut and the lighter, and then adding to this.
Most of the people are still cooking with the clay pots, or
mostly. And we used to. Now people don't use firewood a lot in the cities, but in the villages still everyone use firewood. So for firewood you have like the clay pots, like a rounder bottom. But if it is for the gas stoves, you have a flat bottom. But clay pots mostly.